Namaste everyone. Welcome back to your YouTube channel Prashant J Yoga. Today's sequence is Mūlādhāra sequence. In today's class, we will be learning to activate the Mūlādhāra through fire element. The sequence is about fire element and to strengthen the Mūlādhāra. So if you have a distraction, if you have instability, this sequence is for you. Let's get started.
First, we come to Tadasana, standing straight front of the mat. Become aware of your breathing and take a deep inhale and deep exhale. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Now with inhalation, raise your arms and stretch your whole body, look up. With exhale, slowly bend forward, head closer to the legs. Inhale, looking up, straight arms. Exhale, step your legs back, Chaturanga Dandasana, balance on the arms. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, back, Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Inhale, take your right leg forward between the palms, Virabhadrasana, stretch your hands. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana again, lower the body. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now left side, inhale, left leg forward, Virabhadrasana. Warrior. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Balance on the arms. Inhale, upward facing dog, look up. And deep exhale, downward facing dog. Let's take few deep inhale and deep exhale. Focus on the navel. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Keep stretching your spine. Inhale, bring your right leg forward and left also. Exhale, Uttanasana, head down. Inhale, again come back, stretch your arms, look up. Exhale, Tadasana, hands down. Hands on your hips, take inhale, right leg back and open your hands shoulder level. Exhale, bend the right knee and slowly right hand down. Parshva Konasana. Side angle, stretch your left arm over the ear and balance your body. Few deep breaths here. Focus on the navel breathing. Deep and slow inhale and exhale. This posture will strengthen your legs, make your foundation Mūlādhāra strong. Keep looking at palm for the better focus, for better control. Now inhale again, come back to center, stretch your hands shoulder level. Let's do other side, exhale, slowly down. Again, watch your right hand palm. Control the body and slow and soft breathing here. Now take a deep inhale, come back to center, and with exhale, hands on your hips. Let's be here. Take one deep inhale from the chest and complete exhale. Now again inhale, both hands up, stretch your arms. Exhale, slowly interlock your fingers back. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, turn the body right and bring your head down as much as possible on the floor. Padanguli Namanasana. Stretch your arms as much as possible. Keep your front knee 90 degree and breathe. Now from here we go to Virabhadrasana B. Take inhale, come up. Open the hands shoulder level and watch your right hand top. Balance the body here. Few belly breathing. Keep your focus at one point. Inhale, straight leg now. Raise the arms. Exhale, interlock your fingers back. Now left side. Inhale, chest up. Turn the left foot out. Bend your knee and slowly down. Padanguli Naman. Stretch your shoulders to open it. Straight your arms. Go as lower as possible. Don't push. Breathe in and breathe out. Take inhale, come back to Virabhadrasana, left side. Fix your gaze at one point. Balance your body. Now take a deep inhale, raise your hands again, straight your knee. Exhale, hands on your hips. We will stay here for 2 to 3 deep breaths to relax the whole nervous system. Now inhale again, raise your arms. Exhale, bend forward, hands between the legs. Bring your head as closer as possible to the floor. Prasarita Padottanasana. Keep your knees straight. Gently stretch your whole back leg. As much as possible, bring your head closer to the floor. No need to push. With the gravity, slowly body will start opening. Focus on Mūlādhāra and breathe. Inhale, head up. Exhale, bend your right knee and sit on the right side, buttock, not on the floor. Wrap your right hand around. Turn the body to the left side. Marichasana, chest opening. Breathe here. Balance the body. We will do other side. Inhale, straight your knee, come back to forward bending. We take 2 breaths here. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now inhale, straight back, look front, and exhale, bend your left knee, wrap your left hand around and hold with the right hand back. Look to the ceiling by turning the right shoulder out. Your right leg will support you. Keep it straight. Open the hips, strengthen your Mūlādhāra. Focus at one point and breathe. Breathe in, slowly come back to forward bending again. Exhale, head down. Inhale, slowly come back to center, hands on your hips. And exhale, relax. Inhale, deep here. Exhale, let's bring the legs together. Tadasana. From here, inhale, raise your arms up, lift your right leg, and let's balance on the left leg. We grab the foot and let's move to Vrikshasana. Place your right foot inside of the left. Raise your both arms. Balance the body. You can focus any point you feel comfortable. Just hold the pose and feel the grounding. Feel how Mūlādhāra is giving you strength to stabilize the body. Keep breathing, slow and soft. Hold your pose. We are going to move to the second variation. Drop your right hand to the right knee and slowly bend to the right side. Tiryak Vrikshasana. This time you can focus on the ground. It will be easy to balance the body. Stretch your whole side body in this pose. A perfect Mūlādhāra balancing pose. Take inhale, come back to center, hands up. Exhale, leg down. Tadasana. Let's take a deep inhale here. And exhale. We will do other side. Inhale, raise your hands, stretch your arms, lift your left leg. Exhale, Vrikshasana, left side. And now raise your arm both. Fix your gaze and balance your body, Vrikshasana. Deep inhale from the navel and exhale. We move to Tiryak Vrikshasana. Drop your left hand down and slowly bend to the left side. Balance the body. Let's take a deep inhale, come back to center, stretch your hands up and exhale, Tadasana. Slowly down. We'll take one inhale deep and slowly raise your hands again up. We will lift the right leg and again come back to Vrikshasana, tree pose. This time we keep our hands shoulder level to the side and let's start looking up this time. To the sky, to the ceiling. Let your Mūlādhāra give you balance now, not depending on the eye, depending on the root chakra. Balance the body. Concentrate at one point, at the ceiling or the sky. Slowly look center, raise your hands and grab your right big toe to straight your right leg to the side. Utthita hasta padangushthasana. Keep your left leg as it is. Balance the body. Let's do the different variation. Left hand on your left hip. And let's turn the neck to the left side and balance the whole body in this pose. Hip opening, Mūlādhāra strengthening. Exhale. Now come back to Vrikshasana. Slowly raise your hands again up, sideways, and exhale, Tadasana. We will do other side the same way. Take one deep inhale, raise your hands up, and exhale, Vrikshasana, left side. Hands shoulder level and slowly start looking up. This time Mūlādhāra will stabilize the body. Take your time. Keep breathing slow and soft. Slow and soft. Slowly look forward and raise your hands. Grab your left big toe and open the left leg, same left side. And balance the body. Fix your eyes without blinking much. Now right hand on your hip. Turn the neck to the right and balance. Uthita Hasta Padangushthasana. Now from here, bring your leg down to Vrikshasana and balance the body. Concentrate. Hand to the shoulder level. Balance, balance. And exhale, Tadasana. Hands down. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Slowly sit down. Any comfortable position. One Mūlādhāra activation Kriya. Root Chakra activation Kriya. Hands on your knees. Any mudra, chin mudra, Gyan mudra. Inhale, chin up. And with exhale, open the mouth, drop the chin down. Be here without breathing now for a few seconds. Now, inhale, head again up. Exhale. Drop the chin. Don't breathe in. Bahir Kumbhak. Again, breathe in, chin up. Breathe out. Chin down, and this time make a root lock. Squeeze the anus. Hold the breath. You press your knee this time. Inhale, straight your spine, look up, press your knee. Exhale. This time make a root lock. Chin lock. Suck your stomach in. Now release the pressure from the hands. Inhale again, chin up. Exhale, relax. Now let's press the knee again. Take inhale. This time we hold the breath inside. Make a root lock. Chin as closer as possible to the chest, but don't suck your belly right now. Now release the pressure from the knee. Shoulders down. Complete exhale. Now bring your hands together. Stay quiet and just observe the whole body after practice. Observe the foundation. Observe the stability. Observe the silence, the control. Focus on nose breathing. The breath has become softer, mind has become calmer. With that feeling, join your palms together, front of your chest. Rub your palm and slowly cover the eyes and massage. Feel the warmth on your eyes. Slowly hands down. Namaste. See you next class.